channel. So in this video I would like to introduce you some of the resources that are very well used in terms of data science interview preparation. So let's get started. So for the first resource, I would like to mention this book, this amazing book. I know this is the mirror image, but this book is actually the Ace the Data Science Interview by Kevin Hu and Nick Singh. So this is a great resource, people, and in terms of cost, this book is actually expensive, and I've received many DMs from students saying that they would like to get a copy from me, but I would suggest that getting a copy from the original copy from the author himself would be great. So let's dive into the details about this book. So in this book, I would like to say that this book is divided into different sections. The sections are the first introduction is provided. In the introduction, the author mentions the sole purpose of this book and why is he writing the book in the first place. In the introduction section, you can find that the author Nick Singh has elaborated on how he secured the job from Facebook, which is today's Meta, and the introduction is kind of like a story format, so it's great to read. And then the section is divided into part 1, part 2. In part 1, it's basically career advice, like how you would write your resume, what you would include in your resume, and how would you reach out to people through LinkedIn or sending out the cold emails. So all these are discussed in the section part 1, career advice, and the section 2 is basically the interview questions and exercises. So the topics discussed are probabilities. You have SQL section, you have statistics, there is case study problems, and there is A/B testing involved. So these are the certain topics that are significantly being listed in this listed as well as explained. We have the solutions also in this book. Something that I learned a lot is the case study is kind of very important for a data science interview. I've seen in several interviews there are take-home projects. So in some of the questions here are provided in that format. They provide you a problem statement and take you through every steps on how to solve a problem and talk to the audience. Talk to the interview. So that's a great way of explaining the problem. So that's a great way. And ideally, I would say this is my go-to book in preparing any interview, and I would prefer everyone to get this book. And I would also suggest the author to give a discounted version of this book for the students, because this would definitely help people or students in India to get hold of this book and use a lot for their learning. The next resource here is the interview query by Jay. Worked in data science in Silicon Valley for past 5 years, and before starting the interview query newsletter, I will take you through the website myself. Certain things that you can see, for example, you can go through your dashboard and in terms of you can look into your profile, is that you set your goal, or are you trying any position of interest, and also you can see that they give a plan action, like what have you been planning to do, and at the same time it gives a reminder, like you can you have around 7 lessons. This is just an introduction that I've been looking into. So these are the courses section, and at the same time you can see that there are a lot of sections for practice, such as interviews, questions, challenges, take home, customized interview prep, and coaching. That is, you can get an extra help when needed to ace your interview. And there is also learning path for data science, product metrics, SQL, machine learning, statistics, and A/B testing, probability, and Python. So all of these different paths are actually very important in terms of attending your interviews, because in data science interviews, what I see is all of these questions are randomly asked in any interview. Let it be a stage 1, stage 2 interview. So you kind of face so many questions around these topics. And there's a good thing I like about these interviews, that you have a Slack community, and you also get to learn about the interview experience as well as the salary and compensation which the market is offering to the people. So this is a great initiative by the owner, of the website, and I would say that these selections are really important for us to like know what are the interview experience would be like, and at the same time if the compensation and salary is within our need. And on certain see there are certain resources are provided like articles and company interview guide and blog. And with respect to the salary, you can see that they have subdivided the salary into several parts like data scientist salary, data engineer salary, data analyst salary, machine learning engineer salary. So these are the different formats that I like about this resource, because you get to learn a lot about it, just not just the interview questions. And you have even a job board and hiring amazing talent, post a job, get referrals and interview links. So this is another great way of like getting into the industry, getting into the market, knowing how you could get the job. At the same time, it's also a boost for the recruiters, to post their job boards, at the same time looking for the best talents across the industry. So I would recommend this resource a lot. And see, this is a dashboard that I do not buy. Basically, I don't own a premium service. And what I would like to say is, if you want to use certain like certain selections, right? If you go to the Go Premium, it already says you like there is a pricing between each categories that you would like. For example, right now I have only the basic services like interviews, the weekly solutions, 3 daily code runs. All these things are the free services that comes. And at the same time, you have the paid service like the interview starter kit paid service, which is $16.5 per month. And annually, if you pay, it's like it gives around an 79% of saving, so around it. So that's a great start for an interview perspective. And then you have the mastery plan, where that you can find the coaching section, as well as there are a lot of company interview guides are also provided in this service. So yeah, so if you they have also listed like why do you want to go for premium. And they have also selected like few sections that they cover. And some of the people who there is also per certain references or referrals provided by people who have gained a job through this portal. So this is a great resource. I would suggest people to look into this resource. Yeah. Another resource that's too good to be true is Data Science Pro YouTube channel. And here in the YouTube channel you can look into, obviously the YouTube channel is free resource. We can get uh, a lot of materials in this YouTube channel. I will take you through the YouTube channel here. Mentioned, this is another YouTube channel that I refer constantly when I have to have an interview the next day or a coming week. So this is a Data Interview Pro YouTube channel. As you can see, there are a lot of uploads by the YouTuber herself. And I've already been a subscribed member, a subscriber for this channel. And this channel, why I would prefer this channel is because one thing is, I've seen a lot of interview data science preparation YouTube channels, but only thing that I've seen is some of them are really very long. And while you're preparing an interview questions, right, for an interview, you need a very short and crisp YouTube channels that gives you the idea of what has to be presented. So here you can see all of the videos are in short, like for example within 15 minutes or so. And you have even shorts. You can see that she has uploaded shorts to describe certain topics. And we have topics here relevant to like A/B testing, and we have the product case interview test rounds. So here you can see she has in fact provided do's and don'ts on interview sessions, and also certain interviews that are asked by big companies like Facebook, Meta, LinkedIn, Uber. So all these things are very informative for the interviewers. All these things are very informative for people who are looking to attend interviews. So that is one thing. And you can also look into that they have the you can also see that they have the section for
SQL interviews, they have for statistics, they have machine learning. And one thing I like a lot about it is behavioral concepts are not covered in a lot of many YouTube channels, in particular to data science. So this is something that is very interesting and will basically be informative for us. So you can see there are a lot of different uh, questions answered here. For example, any questions for me, so all of these are very important to be prepared. And one thing also I would like to mention is she explains her journey. For example, if you look into the about section, you can see what was her initial purpose of starting a channel, so YouTube channel. So here she has written the whole idea of why she started this YouTube channel and what we can look into it. So yeah, I would suggest you to look this as a great resource. And also, like, your learning, improve your learning skills and improve how you can present to your interview at the time of interview. So uh, and if you go into the playlist, you can find all the playlists created. You have offer negotiation, and you have the, yeah, all of these I've already mentioned. So this is a great resource, as I already said. So yeah, do check this out. Give a subscribe to this channel, and so that you learn a lot from this channel. Yeah.
So that's done. This is the end of this part 1 video. Let me know if you like this video. I'll come back with a part 2 video of the series and provide you more resources in terms of why I like this video, and a lot of in terms of why I like this video, and how I gained a job myself. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. It would do a great deal for me. Let me know in the comment section if you like to learn a lot about data science interview preparation and career tips. Thank you.